Hi guys there, hope you're well. This is my new car Cadet. I just bought it not a long time ago, and this will be my first time to change the oil. Like I was told that when you buy a new one, just for a little information, you're supposed to change oil after 10 hours. And that is what I'm gonna do. I'll use it for about 10 hours. This is not in one day, but separate days, different days. And now I counted it's almost those 10 hours. So I'm going to change the oil. But this is, I think, is the newest in the market. I think there are so many others out there older than this, maybe about 5 years, 10 years. But I've discovered something that is something important. All right, I'm gonna show you the other ones, the other models. They have where to change oil on this side, on the left side. Yeah, the other ones you will open and find oil filter. This is oil filter, and you will find where to change oil around this place. Yeah, it has been so hard for me to find it, but finally I found it. Not on this side. Just for your information, don't look for it long time on this side, because it is not here. It is on this side, on the other side. Very important. I'm going to show you. So here it is. You can see it there very well. There, this one. So you're gonna pull this out. After you pull this out, then you'll change oil definitely, and in a easier way. Well, I'm gonna set this camera in one place and show us how to change this oil very quickly. Well, here we are again. To change oil, we're gonna need two things. Okay, one thing from your own and another will always come with your toy or with your machine. I call it my toy, so don't worry. All right, so you will need this, something clean, because maybe you will need this oil in some other works like lubrications and other things to do with the oil. So now I think this oil is not dirty because only 10 hours. So let's see, let's get to work. We remove it gently like that. After removing it gently like that, don't turn anti-clockwise first, because the moment you turn it anti-clockwise, the oil will come out. So you push this like that, and now you can turn it anti-clockwise like that, and the oil will come out. Turn in there and pull it out just like that. Turn it anti-clockwise and pull it out, then the drain will come. But a little another a little advice: before you drain up your you drain, you have to start engine. That engine can start for maybe 5 minutes or 7 minutes, so that it can be warm enough to just come out. Well, you see, we already finished the work. Thank you for watching.